Okay, what we're going to do here is we've got a decal by removing decals, so y'all know how to use a scraper the proper way. It is on tempered glass, so you need to be real careful. Always be careful with these blades. They will cut you. The window must be wet where the sticker is. Okay? Don't run it on a jabbing deal. Lay it up on one side, push on an angle. You're actually rolling the decal off without scratching the glass. Re-wet it, hit it one more time just to make sure you get all the residue off of it. Just like so. Okay? Never lay this down. When replacing it, be careful not to slam it on. Start it on one side, get it started, and then close it.